We're on the plane, everyone's boarded. We think we're going to set off in 5 minutes. The plane's absolutely full, and the captain's just announced there's a 25-minute delay. Absolutely gutted.
Welcome to Oludeniz.
Right, so once again, a Vsauce VIP has picked us up in style. Look at this. So this is a big bus, because don't forget, my mum and dad were meant to be coming as well. This is like a 10, 11, 12 seater. So you've got a TV up there, Mercedes-Benz leather seats. All right, everyone?
Yeah.
You happy with the transfer?
Yeah.
Get up there. A Vsauce VIP strikes again. Now it'll take us about 45 minutes, 50 minutes to get to Hisaronu, the villa. But yeah, if you're looking for a transfer, I'm going to put the link for a Vsauce at the bottom. What a villa this is. Fig Tree Villa, I think it's called. Here in Hisaronu, Ölüdeniz area. And it sleeps up to 14 people. It's absolutely huge. You get lost inside. It's just opposite the horse farm over there. It's got gates just on the front. Every window's all secured around the bottom. It's got gates on all the doors as well, so really secure. Then you've got a private pool. Get up there. Private pool for us lot here. There isn't 14 of us, so we've all got a room on our own. It's 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. All of these sun lounges. There's a barbecue just over there. There's a hot tub on the other side of the step. And then there's a chill out area in the shade as well. But look at this place. Beautiful. Definitely worth a booking. Check them out on socials. Fig Tree Villa here in Hisaronu, Oludeniz. Right, the minibus is here. We're going to go and spend the day on the pirate ship, on a dragon pirate ship in Oludeniz. Looks like a nice transfer. Let's pay the £15 and make sure we make that pirate ship. Is all ready? Yep, everyone on the phones. Yep. And there we are, dragon pirate ship. Everyone ready?
Yeah.
No one's saying ooh-ar. No. And this is the beautiful beachfront of Oludeniz. So on Oludeniz beachfront, there's loads of private boats as well. Just here, all the paragliders filling the skies. And then just over here are like the party boats. So you've got Viking boat, Hannibal, and then Dragon. Morning, Vikings. Merhaba. Morning, lads. All right.
I'm very well. What's happening?
Good, mate. Thank you. Morning, merhaba.
Morning. How are you? Right?
Good, thank you, mate. You okay?
Welcome. Yes, great.
Yeah, nice to meet you, mate.
I'm the Don husband.
Oh, nice to meet you, mate.
Nice to meet you. It is gonna be a good day today.
So is it first day?
Yeah, first
First
of
day?
this year. Of this year, yeah, first trip.
season,
Yeah.
Look how clear the water is in Ölüdeniz. Like when you come here, it is so much different to other parts of Turkey. You know, there's different water activities, different excursions, but it's still lively in Hisaronu and Ölüdeniz. Hello, mate. So we've just stopped now on the pirate boat and we've stopped at, I think it's called Butterfly Valley, where I came to the top of it last year with Gaskai and Ali from Ocean Blue. We were somewhere at the top looking down on the valley part. So this is a stop off for 1 hour. You can stop for food, drinks, whatever you want. Even stop for a swim and then get your asses back on the boat. So I've left everyone on there, Isla, Oscar, Teddy, Corey, all on the boat, Rochelle. See if we can see them. Rochelle! There's Isla right up there. So the first beach, like pebbles. Can't really lay on here and sunbathe, you need a sun lounger. But the views within this mountain valley are incredible. I'm on the wrong boat. Hi Ted. Shall I jump across? Yeah? Shall I jump? Jump. Yeah. Get me off this boat. You're on the wrong boat. We do. Right, so I'm gonna have to get off this boat and get on the right one, which is Dragon. Wait for this to go down a bit. And we're off. Pull me back out. Oh, it is nice. Come here, relax, chill out, and you get an hour just to explore and usually sit in the sun, but it's a little bit cloudy today. This stop off, it is nice because you can just relax, chill out for an hour before you set sail again, and go to the next stop. I don't have a clue where that's going to be, but we'll find out soon. It's self-service food as well, so you also get fed on the Dragon pirate ship. They call them up table by table. You go up, you serve yourself, and then you end up with chicken and rice. So the next stop for the pirate ship is, I think he said hot water spring, and there's people jumping in, but I can hear them. I can hear them coming back up going, it's very cold, it's very cold. There's no hot water spring here. But at least the views here are incredible, just like the rest of the trip. All the stops, views are amazing. So a few more hours and then we go from the pirate ship back to Ölüdeniz. And then we'll go exploring there. Ted the pirate! Oh, foot is soaking. So this is Camel Beach. Every single stop off, beautiful views, surroundings, mountains. Definitely worth a few photos. Welcome to Oludeniz beachfront.
Welcome to Ölüdeniz.
Welcome to Ölüdeniz.
Welcome to Ölüdeniz.
Where the paragliders might just drop on your head. So you got Tiger Beach just over there. Gravity, they taught out all the paragliding just there as well. And obviously Oludeniz beachfront is beautiful. Oh, that's a nice easy drop on the beach, isn't it? Maybe I will jump off. That's nice. So Genuine Fake Factory is going to give us a lift to the villa. Perfect. He said, oh, I've got a big Jeep, I'll take you back. Look at that, service with a smile.